It has been a absolute crazy year for me with 3D printing and my business and the 3D printing community and world in general. For those of you new to the channel, I'm basically Benski and I do 3D printing as a side hustle, or at least that was the case last year in 2025. We'll get into that a little bit later. 2025 was an absolutely crazy year for me and my family. We decided to go really hard with our markets and shows, and we were doing on average 4.5 shows every single week. There were some days where we had a show every single day of the week, including Saturday and Sunday, and sometimes my wife and I even had to split up and do 2 shows in one day. On top of that, I was trying to ramp up my Etsy sales, and while I was doing all of that, I was focusing on content creating at the same time, so I could hopefully turn content creating and 3D printing as a side hustle into my full-time hustle. And then December 10th, 2025 hit. And that was the day I was laid off from my full-time position. And it kind of forced my hand. It forced my hand in order to do things with 3D printing that I didn't expect to do and to focus on content creating. Now that didn't mean I just decided to stop looking for jobs and other employment. That's still ongoing, but maybe this was the time, you know, when karma or the universe closes one door, another door opens, and this is that door. So what are we gonna expect from here on out on the Basically Benski YouTube channel? So many more things. I was able to go to CES in Las Vegas, and I was able to meet a lot of companies that I'm actually gonna be partnering with to make videos for and talk about to bring more content to you guys, not just with 3D printing, but even some other companies. Spoiler alert, one of them's Olight, and I couldn't be happier. But with the content creating, I've been getting some viral posts. I made this Gengar Mempo mask on the Snapmaker U1, and it blew up overnight on Instagram, and I couldn't be happier because it's also resulted in a ton of sales for me and a lot of attention. And that's the other thing. You know, last year we talked about, can you really make money at 3D printing as a side hustle? And I want to have a recap video of what 2025 was like, because a lot of people were receptive to the transparency of what it looked like from my end in terms of how much money I made and how much money you can make. But I think this year I really want to focus on helping other people learn how to make more money, especially in the different markets that they're going to be in. Because what sells for me isn't necessarily going to sell for everybody. I know how to market certain things, and I want to teach you guys how to market those things. One of the main goals of this channel is going to be learning how to help you make the right decisions when it comes to 3D printing. But here's kind of a little bit of a spoiler. The right decision is whatever the best decision is for you, but I want to be able to bring all the information that I have in a way that doesn't feel like I'm biased towards one company or another. I have a Bamboo H2S right here, which I absolutely love, with 3 AMS2 Pro systems, 3 Snapmaker U1s, which, if I'm going to be honest, right now is probably my favorite printer, bar none. 10 Creality K2 Pluses, 2 Creality High Combos, 1 A1 Mini, 2 A1s, an Ender 5 Max, and a Neptune 4 Max that I still use to this day, and I absolutely love it. And an FL Sun T1 Pro, which is out of commission right now, but that's a whole other thing. And I also want this channel to be fun. I want to do weird challenges. I want to be able to do fun things where maybe it's not necessarily 3D printed related, but it could be. It doesn't really matter. Maybe we do a challenge where we see if I can go camping with only 3D printing gear. And I mean only 3D printing gear. But that's what to look forward to for this channel for the next little bit. This is very much a reintroduction video. This is very much a video where I want to explain what we're going to be doing and kind of how we're going to be doing it. I'm not going to sit here and overcommit myself and say, hey, you guys are going to get 4 videos every single week. I'm not going to be that guy, but I am going to say every single Solidarity Thursday, you're going to get a new video no matter what. And I know this isn't coming out on a Thursday. If anything, this should be coming out on Saturday, maybe Sunday. Sorry if it's not one of those 2 days, but we're going to have one video at least every Thursday. The overall goal is that we're going to have a video on Mondays and Thursdays. Monday is going to be a market video, Market Mondays, where we talk about learning how to make money with 3D printing and some of the things that I'm seeing that are working out really well, and talking about the 3D printers themselves. Again, I have an H2S, K2 Plus, and a Snapmaker U1, but I know the Anycubic just came out with their max version, and that sucker's only like $800. So I really want to get a hold of one of those. And then Thursday is just going to be a mix mash of everything. We're going to talk about content. We're going to talk about other stuff, maybe do some challenges, definitely talk to you about things that I'm doing in my life. And I just want the Basically Benski channel to be basically Benski. So whether you're gonna come here because you wanna learn how to make these awesome cosplay helmets and masks, or you wanna learn how to make practical things like this wallet that pops up that I freaking love, that I carry every single day with me, or just coming here to hang out, I don't really care. I want your guys' comments, I want your input. We have a lot to offer on this channel, and I can't wait to have this journey with you guys as a 3D printing guy. So for now, I'm basically Benski, and mistakes make magic, baby.